Guys, it's Bart Bregman here from IQOptionWiki.com. Today from Belgrade, Serbia. Great to be here, great to traveling the world. But we're going to talk about a EMA strategy today and how we can adapt multiple lines on different time frames to get a confirmation chart, and how we can adapt that to get a very nice 1-minute trading signal for the binary options. Let's dive into it. First, let's go to our website and let's talk about the difference between the EMA and SMA. So if you've seen my previous video, I'll put a link in the description down below about the SMA, how we can use that as a trading confirmation for trend reversal. This is not about trend reversal, this is trading with the trend. You need to know that in this picture here, it shows it very well that the SMA is a moving average that takes every time the same time period and makes out of that a nice smooth line. And then we have the EMA is a exponential moving average, so that one goes more exponential. It weighs heavier in the beginning, and then it goes in the lower one takes a lot less value of the line, the moving average line. That means that it's gonna hawk the current price better. It's gonna be more close to the actual current price. In this strategy, we're gonna use 3 lines: one on 21, one on 13, and one on 8. And we're gonna use the 1-hour chart to determine if it's a good trending market, and then we're gonna zoom into the 5-minute chart to get actual signals. That about said, let's dive into the IQOption platform so we can find you some examples and maybe some live trading. It's weekend now. Let's see if we can find in the OTC market a good example. So now in the IQOption platform, just a stock chart here, put it on the 1 hour, and then we're gonna add the moving averages. One EMA at 21, one EMA at 13, and one EMA on 8. So now here we are. I set it up the 21 with a red color, the 13 with a yellow color, and our trigger line, the purple one with a 8 period. So let's move back in time and let's see if I can find a good example. What is a perfect market condition for this strategy? So now what we want is a nice spread out of the 3 lines over here. You can see there are nice smoothly spread out, and the candles are trading below the 3 lines. If it's trading below the 3 lines on the 1-hour time frame, that would make us a that will give us a sell signal, so a sell chart. So this would be the period from here all the way to here. Would give us a sell signal chart. Otherwise, around, if we go over here, here we have a moment above it. This would give us a buy signal. So that's all on the 1-hour chart, just to give us an indication if the market is adaptable for this strategy, and then we can use this strategy in this market. So now we have this time frame here, and we're gonna zoom in a little bit to the 5 minute. Oh, there you see it. And in the 5 minute is gonna give us sell signals. So now zoomed in a little bit. Now we're looking for the same pattern, the same moving averages, nicely spread out with a nice downtrend following down below that. And what we're looking for is that so now what we're looking for in this strategy is that the market is trending nicely below our 3 moving averages. And the moment it hits our trigger line, the purple line over here, you can see it here, it hits the line. That will be our 1 minute sell signal, and then it goes down again, would be a profitable trade. And then another time it hits the moving average, the purple moving average, and it will be a sell signal again. Now let's see if we can find a nice signal in a live chart to make an actual trade on this strategy. So now I opened all the different charts on the 1 hour time frame just to determine if the market conditions are right for this trading strategy. And what we're looking for is the same pattern over and over again. Here we will have a nice pattern here, nice smooth trending above the 3 lines. So we can zoom into this one. And you see here, we just missed it, too bad, but this would be a very good buying signal here. The market is trending nicely above the 3 moving averages. There's a wide enough space between them, and this here would have been a nice entry point. Let's look if we can find another one, and otherwise we will have to wait a little bit. Now you see here on the 1 hour it was a good moment to trade, but you can see here at the 5 minute this is not going to work out because it's already above the moving averages, so we don't want that. So we're going to have to look for something else. So that brings us back by the Euro GBP. It's the best market that we can find right now. It works on the 1 hour. And now we're going to wait for a entry signal from the purple entry line, and if it hits the line we will go into a buy position, but we have to wait a little bit. Let's see if we can speed up the time here a little bit. So you see now the market is getting really close to our trigger line here. Let's see what it's going to do. If we can put that buy signal there. If it actually crosses. So now it crosses the line. Our prediction is that it will fall back now to make a profitable trade, because it should return back to its main trend. Generally, this is the main trend. The 2 bigger moving averages are giving us confirmation that we're still trending up. And there you see it, a winning result, a winning trade. And that's how you can use that purple line here as your triggering line to make a profitable trade. I think this is it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to trade and practice this strategy. Go to our website. On the right sidebar there's a sign up form. We're a licensed IQ option promoter, and you can sign up for your demo account there. So that was it. Happy trading, good luck, and always practice before you trade with real money. Good luck.